The version of you that exists right now, he's a draft, not a failure, not broken, just unfinished. And 2026 is either the year you edit him or the year you let him expire. Most men spend their free time recovering from life. High-value men spend it building one. There's a gap between those two men. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's 5 decisions about how you spend your time when nobody's watching. Here are the 5 hobbies that separate the men who arrive in 2026 from the ones who just survive it. Not for the mirror, not for the compliments, for the proof. Every rep is a vote that says, I keep my word to myself. Gym, calisthenics, martial arts, running at 5 a.m. in the cold. It doesn't matter what you choose. What matters is this. The man who shows up when he doesn't feel like it becomes the man who shows up when it matters most. Your body isn't just a body. It's the first empire you either build or neglect. Not scrolling, not podcasts in the background. Reading, pages, stillness, intention. 10 pages a day sounds small. 10 pages a day is 12 books a year. 12 books a year is a different mind. You don't read to become smarter. You read to think in ways other men haven't learned yet. That's not an advantage. That's a weapon. You're not burned out because you work too hard. You're burnt out because your mind never gets quiet. Walk without your phone. Journal without an audience. Sit in 10 minutes of silence and listen to yourself. The man who can be alone with his thoughts doesn't need distraction to feel okay. He's not running from himself. He knows himself. Clarity is your edge, and it's completely free. Write, build, draw, compose, film. Make something that didn't exist before you touched it. Not for likes, not for validation, for evidence that you can take nothing and make something real. Creativity isn't soft. It's the most masculine thing a man can do. Because creation requires courage. Courage to make something bad first. Courage to keep going anyway. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your free time is not a break from your life. It is your life, being built or being wasted. Right now, you don't need all 5. You need one, today. Because 6 months from now, you'll look back at this moment, and it will either be the day everything shifted, or just another video you watched and forgot. The choice is already yours. If something in this hit you, drop a comment. Tell me which one you're starting with. And if you want content that actually means something, you already know what to do. Build the man. Own the life.